In today's class, we are going to discuss about one topic which is faced by all of us in our daily life, and we are adversely affected by that process, and this is called food adulteration. So what is food adulteration? The process of adding unwanted and unsafe substances in the food for making extra profit by some dishonest traders is called food adulteration. And the unsafe and cheap quality and low quality non-edible substances that are being added to the food to make the extra profit are called adulterants. Now, consuming the adulterated food for a long period of time can give rise to some acute as well as some chronic health problems. The acute health problems include food poisoning and diarrhea, and some chronic health problems which are very fatal as well can give rise to asthma and cancer due to food adulteration. In this slide, we will look at some of the common examples of the adulterant and the food item that are being adulterated by these adulterants. Milk is always mixed with impure water to increase the volume, and so impure water is the adulterant of milk. The cereals and the pulses are adulterated with stone chips, chalk powder, harmful colors, etc. The turmeric and the chili powder that we use in our everyday kitchen are actually adulterated by lead compounds. And the chili powder, they are also adulterated with sawdust, synthetic dyes that will give the vibrant red color, and powder of the damaged chilies. And the hazard that it imposes on our body is that those adulterants are carcinogenic in nature, that is, they can cause cancer when used for a long period of time. The black pepper are adulterated by colored dried papaya seeds. The papaya seeds are actually very similar looking like the black pepper. So the black peppers are actually adulterated by dried papaya seeds. The coffee powder is adulterated by tamarind seeds, and edible oils like sunflower oil, rice bran oil, mustard oil are adulterated by the toxic oils, which contain a lot of saturated fats. Sugar is adulterated by tiny pieces of glass chips, and honey is adulterated by jaggery syrup. Ghee is adulterated by palmolive oil, and palmolive oil is not at all good for our health because it contains a lot of saturated fat and can increase our level of cholesterol. The silver varak that are put on the surface of the sweets are actually made up of aluminium, and aluminium is a metal and it is totally unsuitable for consumption. The food colors that are actually being sold in the market as edible food colors are not at all edible, and they may cause allergies and long-term use is very harmful. The mawa that is used in the sweet shops are already adulterated by the palmolive oil, and it also contains saturated fat.